If you're having any of these four symptoms in your body, just by losing weight can either completely reverse it or at least improve all of the four symptoms. And number one of the symptoms is jock itch. Majority of people might not know what jock itch is, but it is a kind of itchiness around the thigh, around your groin. This itchiness can be quite irritative, and just by losing weight, you can either completely eliminate it or at least put it into remission. And number two is fatigue, most especially after eating. A lot of people don't know that when you eat, we eat for energy. We're supposed to get a lot of energy. But when you eat and you feel tired, you feel like, I just need to sleep, I'm just tired, it is a clear sign that you are feeding the wrong mitochondria, the wrong bacteria in your gut. And losing weight, at least prioritizing whole food like fiber and protein, will help you to put the fatigue into remission. And number three is snoring or sleeping apnea. Sleeping apnea, it is as a result of being overweight, most especially around the tongue. Yes, in case you don't know, we store a lot of fat even in our tongue. That is one of the worst things about fat. Fat is just dumping anywhere across the body. And when you have fat in your tongue, definitely you are going to have sleeping apnea. And by the time you start losing weight, you definitely reverse it or at least reduce the level of the sleeping apnea. And number four is type 2 diabetes. If you are having type 2 diabetes, unlike what many people are saying, thinking that diabetes, it is a symptoms or a sickness that cannot be reversed. In fact, to name diabetes in other words, I'll definitely say it is an inactive muscle. Because when you are not active, your muscle, the cell, does not know how to utilize the carbohydrate. Now, by the time you start losing weight, by the time you start challenging the muscle, the fact is that you are going to completely eliminate the type 2 diabetes. And all of these four symptoms, as worst as it is, I can tell you that I was having every of these four symptoms. But just by losing weight, getting myself back in shape, I was able to completely reverse it. Why not try losing weight if you are having any of these symptoms and see if it will make any difference in your life?